Okay, guys, I'm in Big Lots' parking lot. Sorry that you see nothing a while ago except for white. But yeah, I'm in Big Lots' parking lot because I just got out of there, so I was like, you know, why not update you guys and tell you that I just got out of Big Lots. So let's do. No, I gotta put my seat back. Oh, I can see my phone. It's in the door. My phone's in the door, so I had to open up my door. So I can bring this back real fast. Turn this like this. Now, I won't hit my head on the window. Oh yeah, I also got me a drink from my dad's house. So, because I went back there. Darcy. So Miami's playing today, and like, I don't know, my dad, he goes crazy. Sorry, Dad. But he kind of goes like, I was walking out of the house, and he goes, touchdown! I go, good way to scare somebody to death! He goes, sorry. No, he doesn't. He just goes, But anyways, yeah, I got something from Big Lots. Let me show you the Big Lots logo. If it'll let me. Big Lots. That was the only bag I had. Yesterday was okay, I guess. But I don't know. It was like bleh. So what am I gonna do is drive around town tomorrow. Before I came to Big Lots, I got gas. So technically, when I left my dad's house, I got gas. So, eh. Just to let you know, I'm making these videos for fun, not for y'all guys. I'm just making these videos for me, myself, and Dad. If you don't like this video, okay, so what? Go about your life. I mean, like, you either like it or you don't. So if you like it, go ahead and leave this like a video and subscribe. I don't know if you're already subscribed. Thank you, because like other people are just they're like, bye. Not. I'm like, people are actually like that. Like, people are nice and not supposed to act like that. So, yeah. I can't. So before I leave, I'm gonna get me one of these things out. We have the. How am I supposed to use this? What the heck? This is weird. Like, This was not what I'm hoping for. There's like 2 sticks here and the power here. Like, that's what I was hoping for, but I don't remember this. Okay, I'll have that later. I'll just have an airhead. Why not? Before I leave, get an airhead. Because I am. Well, I didn't actually litter, guys. It's like a trash can sitting like right beside me that I'm throwing all my crap into. People. All grown. Okay. Hang on, I need to raise my seat. I need to raise my seat. Oh, not the tie. Okay, that's just good. Mm-mm. jet. I'll be like, roll up down window, roll up down window. I have 2 windows rolled down, this one and that one. Have you ever seen one of these cars? I haven't. I gotta go, guys. Yeah. All I got was like candy and stuff, so bye.